When this video recently went viral, it caught the attention and admiration of those who came across it. For many, it was difficult to believe that a young man 20 years of age without a university education could fabricate and fly this aircraft. His name is Kenneth Akobundo from Ehime-Mbano local government area of Imo State. He completed his secondary education in 2018, and since his father could not afford his university education, he had to settle for this, including fabrication of this aircraft, which has caught global attention.
The engineering tips are all come from inspiration. When I sleep, I got some dreams. And when I wake up, in a dream, I meet so many engineers, especially foreign engineers. They taught me, they say, look at what you do, this is how you do it. So when I woke up, I noticed that was a dream. I have to practicalize according to what I saw in the dream. And obviously, that is how I have to keep upgrading. But I've not attended any technical college or institution or university, no. It's just self-taught.
He started fabrication of these prototypes at the age of 7, and here are some of his old products. While many are surprised at how he is able to come up with these fabrications, Kenneth says all materials used are locally sourced, including the engines used for the aircraft and other machines. This scooter bike, for instance, he says, takes him from his village in Imo State to as far as Aba in Abia State.
I got that inspiration when I was 7 years old, but I wasn't really serious about it. I was like looking forward to become a naval officer. Engaging myself in the seas. But when I grew up to 12, 13, I noticed that none of them is working off me. So I didn't take it more serious about the engineering. But it comes worse when I turned 17, 18. It's like I'm going crazy. I can't do anything without trying to figure out what I could invent out. And since 2018, I have to be passionately working. And that is how I come up with more ideas. I can be able to manufacture ultralight aircraft and most other inventions.
To say that the visit of the NTA took Kenneth by surprise is to say the least, as his neighbors and some leaders of his community came out to witness what they described as a dream come true.
From the commitment and interest shown, if well exposed, it will do Nigeria proud.
I pray that this country will look at the content of this young boy and see that he will make this country proud.
God will locate him one day. And when I
came out today and saw cars everywhere, I knew that God has done it.
A white man can do many things with his brain. It's actually what I'm seeing from this boy.
For his parents, his talent did not take them by surprise, as it runs in the family.
I believe that God transferred the talent of the family to him. I don't have money, and I'm a commercial transporter, driving for someone. Since the car developed faults, I told my son that he has to be patient.
From carton.
He started with the use of cartons. When I ask him what he is doing, he will ask me to leave him, that it is between him and his God.
Kenneth may be limited by resources, but his hope of having his dream actualized someday is rock solid.
Sometimes when I woke up, I notice I'm staying at home and trying. I feel bad. But sometimes I have to be happy because I'm alive doing some great things.
From Ehime-Mbano local government area of Imo State, Lorita Arinze Gwim, NTA News.